What's up, people? Now what we're going to view es el Remington hair dryer que compré en el Walmart de Managua, Nicaragua por 1000 Córdoba, como puede ver en esta imagen. Como no la tienen en la página web de Walmart Managua, Nicaragua, lo busqué aquí en Amazon. Ya como ven aquí, es igualito, es el mismo producto, solamente que es un poco diferente por el color, pero aquí está un poco más barato, pero claro que es Amazon ya. Sería mucho más caro si lo mandara a comprar aquí, a que me lo envíen o lo que sea, pero como ven aquí está, mismas características, todo completamente lo mismo. Ya tiene varias diferentes colores y opciones también en Amazon, algo que Walmart no tenía, pero sí tenía el mismo producto ya. Aquí está otro que está en negro. Viene con todos los mismos componentes, all the same features as well. Now, when turned on, this thing does get hot to the touch, which of course it's obvious. You can see the electrical wires there. That right there is the filter. I have right here with me a digital thermometer. Right now we have it in Celsius. So right here, it's actually brand new. If I turn it on, it says high because I was testing it out first. See, it goes back to 32 degrees Celsius, 32.1, 32.0 degrees Celsius, as you can see. So the idea of the thermometer is to show you that in fact it does get heated, or that the Remington hair dryer does in fact heat up. As you can see, low. If I start blowing on it, it should go back to high. There we go, 32.2, 32.6, 33.1, 33.6, 34, 34.6, 34.8, 34.9. But that's me because, okay, now that I took it off, it should start going back down again. That's 35.2. Well, okay, so it's not immediate, but if I place the Remington, it should start going back up. And that's on low setting. So right now the Remington is at its lowest setting. That's at its lowest heat setting. If I turn it up a notch, it should just make the thermometer just go high. 39, high, there you go. So off the bat, the thermometer can no longer. So when I place the Remington hair dryer on the thermometer at its highest setting, I mean, the thermometer can't go any higher than 40 degrees Celsius apparently, so it no longer can detect. I mean, maybe if I get something that detects higher temperatures, it will likely show you exactly what it is. But the point of the video is to show you that in fact, the Remington does actually work. It's an excellent product. You saw all the settings already. One thing right here, you can remove this filter and clean it out. You know that right there. I was like, oh, all right. So the filter is removable. You can dust it out and whatnot so that it doesn't overheat on you by not allowing airflow. So, and then you could just put it back in. Hold up a second. Let me see here. How do I put? There you go. You have to clip it in. Make sure it's not loose. There it goes. It's all good. That's the Remington right there. You know. Now, as the box shows, it also comes with a concentrator, which is right here, to be able to go ahead and have the ability to concentrate even more on a specific area of your hair. I can't test it out on myself because, well, I have short hair. As mentioned, the Remington, excellent product.